Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
In this quick video, I want to talk about offer specials you can send to your client. So remember that anytime is a great time to offer specials because people love special things. And that's why there's so many holidays now, like the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday, then after that there's the Cyber Week or the Black Week, then there's Valentine's Day, Christmas specials, New Year specials, start of the year specials, end of the year specials. The list goes on and on. There's a reason why there's so many of these special occasions now, which makes it so that none of them seem that special. But that's because brands want to have sort of an excuse to offer special discounts and to sell more to people. That's the main reason why all of these, of course, not Christmas and Valentine's Day, these ones exist for ages now, but the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday, Black Week, and some other types of holidays that make people go on shopping sprees. There's a reason why they're there. It's to get people to spend more money, and you want to take advantage of it. Of course, you want to make sure you have offers all year round. Ideally, you want to have specials all year round. Here's some you can do that will bring in more sales, guaranteed. The first one, which is the most aggressive one, which I recommend you run twice a year, 3 times a year maybe. I think I've run it several times last year. But yeah, which is the BOGO. It's a buy one get one free. And this is one of the most aggressive offers you can do for people because you're giving them away one entire service or product for totally free, which is the same as a 2-for-1 and a 3-for-1. This is too much. I mean, I don't know, it depends on what you're selling, but you can do 2-for-1s, 3-for-1s, sort of bundles. You can, of course, do the 51% off, which we've talked about before, and this one works great. People love 51% off, so 50 is amazing, 51 is just insane, and people purchase this all day, every day. And then, of course, heavily discounted bundles. You can offer, for example, a logo design plus a branding consultation plus a website rebuild or whatever. So a big bundle at a big discount. You can do these heavily discounted bundles because people also love, because they feel like they're getting more. And this goes back to the thing regarding the value ladder that we talked about, because the value goes up like this. And of course, you can send these via messages, emails, Facebook groups, etc. The way you make them reach people is not the focus now. You just need to make sure that your customers know about your special offers. So what I want you to do after this video is to send your customer list either by email or by message manually or to a Facebook group. Send them a special offer. Try to send them a BOGO, and I can assure you that you get at least 1 or 2 sales. And again, just like we talked about, we have to think about the long or the lifetime value of a customer. So if you're getting 2 orders here on a BOGO, don't forget that this lifetime value increases like this. So even though you can be starting in the red, like we talked about previously, so here, eventually, due to the lifetime value of the clients, you'll be in the green. That's it, super quick video regarding special offers. If you have any questions, make sure to join the group. That's facebook.com/groups/marketplace freelancer, and I'll see you on the next one.